In this video, I'm about to show you how to apply for Medicare in New York. Start by checking your eligibility. You can apply if you're turning 65 within the next 3 months, are already 65 or older, or if you have certain conditions like end-stage renal disease or ASRD or ALS. You may also be required to apply for Medicare if you're eligible for Medicaid and meet certain income limits. Now go to the official Social Security website at ssa.gov/Medicare. Click Apply for Medicare online, either sign in or create an account. Then follow the prompts to enter your information and submit your application. If you prefer, you can also apply by phone by calling Social Security at 1-800-772-1213. For TTY users, the number is 1-800-325-0778. Phone services are available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. and support is offered in English, Spanish, and other languages. After applying, you'll receive a confirmation letter online or by mail. You may need to provide this letter as proof that you've applied, especially if you're applying for Medicaid or other benefits. If you qualify, you'll be enrolled in Medicare Part A and possibly Part B depending on your situation. You can also look into Part C Medicare Advantage and Part D prescription drug coverage through private insurers once your original Medicare is active. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.